Welcome to today's tutorial on enhancing your LinkedIn account security. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of enabling the App Lock feature on the LinkedIn mobile app. This feature adds an extra layer of protection. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon at the top left. Then, scroll down and select Settings from the menu that appears. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Sign In and Security. Following this, tap on App Lock. Finally, toggle the App Lock feature to On. Then choose the time you want the app to lock, such as immediately, after 5 minutes, after 15 minutes, or after 30 minutes. By enabling App Lock, you enhance the security of your LinkedIn app and protect your professional data from unauthorized access. If this tutorial was helpful, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching and keep your account secure.